Hey, good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, October 21st, 2015. My name is Cliff Backus, and this is your pushbuttonstocktrading.com daily video market review. Stocks ended mixed again yesterday, except this time all the indexes we follow fell on weak volume, while advancing issues bettered decliners for the day. The Nasdaq, which posted another weak distribution day, tested resistance in the 4,900 area and managed to close above it Monday, but fell back below it yesterday. The IBD 50 and 85.85 fared the worst yesterday, falling 0.72% and 0.51% respectively. The IBD indices, the 50 and the 85.85, are continually updated with the most powerful momentum stocks and give us a good indication of what the market leadership is doing. When the IBD indices underperform, bulls should be a bit more cautious. That noted, the uptrend has shown very little sign of strain since the follow-through day on September 25th. The Nasdaq has 4 weak distribution days, the S&P 2. Market leadership appears to be getting a bit more focused with apparel, building, financials, and software stocks setting the pace. As noted above, advancing issues edged decliners yesterday. The New York Stock Exchange advanced decline line continues to improve. New highs bettered new lows and have been consistently since the beginning of the month. Large capitalization stocks outperformed small again yesterday and have outperformed on a 10-day moving average basis. Large caps outperforming also is behavior less typical of a bull market. Our swing timing model is indicating a moderately overbought condition in the market, but keep in mind, a moderately overbought market can become severely overbought. Our market timing model on both the Nasdaq and the S&P 500 are on buy signals, indicating that aggressive traders should not be increasing margin to leverage their portfolios. Maintain current margin levels and let your trailing stops take you out of your current positions. More conservative traders continue to deploy capital on the long side, keeping stops in place. The O'Neill timing model is indicating a confirmed uptrend in the market. All of our timing models are bullish, but this market remains volatile and prone to whipsaws. That being the case, we're now over 2 weeks into the confirmed uptrend with minimal credible distribution. All traders should be approaching fully invested. As always, keep your stops in place and be sure to follow your written rules. Let's see what the Nasdaq Composite's up to. Nasdaq yesterday was down 24.5 points or 0.5%. We closed at 48.80. Notice how we tested this resistance level in the 4,900 area and appear to have failed. The Nasdaq may have more work to do on the downside before we're able to take out that resistance in the 4,900 area. Trading volume yesterday was higher than the prior day, but still below average daily. We got a weak distribution day yesterday. For you followers of William O'Neill, we are in a confirmed uptrend on the market. We have been since September 25th. We have a total of 4 distribution days on the Nasdaq since the market went to the confirmed uptrend. But 3 of those distribution days are fairly weak days and aren't of tremendous concern. We're not seeing a great deal of institutional selling out there at this point. We have support in the 45.06 area, and as mentioned before, our resistance is up here in the 4,900 area. The Nasdaq is currently on a buy signal, which indicates that margin traders should not be increasing leverage on their portfolios and will want to let trailing stops take them out of their existing positions. More conservative traders should be approaching fully invested at this point. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. The S&P yesterday was down 2.89 points or 0.14%. We closed at 2030. We tested resistance up here in the 2044 area and failed right there. The S&P may have more consolidation to do before it's decisively able to break through resistance up here in the 2044 area. Yesterday trading volume was below the prior day. The S&P 500 is in a confirmed uptrend with just 2 weak distribution days since confirmation of the uptrend. S&P is bracketed by support down here in the 1993 area and resistance up here in the 2044 range. The S&P also is on a buy signal. I want to take a quick look at a stock. MI Homes builds single-family homes and townhouses for first-time, move-up, empty nester, and luxury home buyers. The stock has been putting in this trend line right here. And yesterday, we traded higher trading volume than any down day in the past 10 trading sessions, which is our definition of a pocket pivot. MI Homes can be bought here by aggressive traders on this pocket pivot in anticipation of a break above this trend line, and also a break above this little base right here. That's about all I have for today. If you want to talk about any of the stocks mentioned today or any of our market strategies, please feel free to give me a call, drop me an email, or make an appointment. Come by the office, see what we're up to. Contact information is on the home page. For daily access to our model portfolios, trade updates, and more up-to-date information on our trading strategies, please take a minute to go to our subscription page and subscribe to Push Button Stock Trading. You can also follow us on Twitter at PushButtonStock. Again, my name is Cliff Backus. That's your daily video market review. Have a safe and profitable day. Keep your stops in place, and I will see you again tomorrow. Please stay tuned for our important disclaimers. All the best. Disclaimers. Push Button Stock Trading Video Market Review is produced and edited by Clifford B. Backus. Mr. Backus is a Senior Vice President of Investments, Technical Analyst, Portfolio Manager, and Partner with the investment firm of Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated. Video Market Review is produced solely for the benefit of our clients, friends, and colleagues. Anything written, stolen, and/or plagiarized in this publication is done without malice. Further, the analysis and opinions expressed in this publication are strictly those of the editor and not of Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated, its affiliates, subsidiaries, or any of the officers or employees of Ohannes & LaCours, Inc. On that note, we submit the following. The analysis, calculations, and evaluations presented herein are based on data and assumptions Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated believes to be accurate. Ohannes & LaCours Incorporated makes no representation that such analysis or calculations are accurate or that such valuations represent levels at which actual trades may occur. This report has been prepared from original sources, except where otherwise noted, and data we believe to be reliable. Ohannes & LaCours, Inc., its affiliates and subsidiaries, and/or their officers and employees or their families may from time to time acquire, hold, or sell a position in the securities mentioned herein. Moreover, opinions may differ from one entity to the next. If we are used in connection with the purchase or sale of any security discussed in this report, we may act as principal for our own account or as agent for both the buyer and the seller. Push Button Stock Trading is dedicated to the education of friends, clients, and paid subscribers. Push Button Stock Trading is an information service only. The information provided herein is not to be construed as an offer to buy or sell stocks of any kind. Push Button Stock Trading is created to aid subscribers in making informed investment decisions based wholly or in part on technical analysis. It's possible that at this time or some subsequent date, the editors of Push Button Stock Trading may own, buy, or sell the investments presented. All investors should consult a qualified professional before making any investment. The information provided has been obtained from sources deemed to be reliable, but it is not guaranteed as to the accuracy or completeness. The editors of Push Button Stock Trading make every effort to provide timely information to subscribers, but cannot guarantee specific delivery times due to factors beyond our control.